PeopleSoft Enterprise Components now offers the Notification Composer, which provides a centralized framework for creating and managing all notifications in your PeopleSoft applications. Notification Composer streamlines multiple notification methods and frameworks into a single approach. PeopleSoft HCM has converted over 600 notifications into Notification Composer. The Notification Composer determines the message content, which can be different depending on how the notification is delivered. The Notification Composer then passes the notification information to the PeopleTools Notifications Framework to determine how to send the notification. Notifications can be sent as an in-app within the PeopleSoft application, as an email, or as a text. The PeopleTools Notifications Framework enables your organization to configure how messages are sent and whether they are required. Additionally, individual users can choose whether and how they receive messages. Notification Composer requires PeopleTools 85919 or higher. Once you implement Notification Composer, you must use this feature to create new notifications and manage your existing ones. For this video, we'll use the Remote Worker feature and set up notifications to communicate with the Remote Worker Manager, HR Administrator, and the Payroll Administrator. Let's start with the PeopleTools Notification Administration Navigation Collection and the Global Settings page. Administrators set up which types of notifications your organization uses within PeopleSoft in-app, email, or text on this page. If your organization has not activated a notification type in Global Settings, then it cannot be selected in Notification Settings. Next, we'll go to Notification Settings. To easily find a notification, select the filter icon and choose the functional category. The notifications are sorted by similar functions. Address change and remote worker notifications are associated with personal details. The Related Actions icon enables you to configure each notification. Your administrator determines the methods used to send each notification, the default type, which ones can be personalized, and which notifications are mandatory. For instance, as we've configured the notification on this page, the administrator allows the notification type to be personalized by the HR administrator. If the notification is marked as mandatory, the HR administrator cannot turn off the notification in My Preferences. By default, the notification will be sent as an in-app notification in PeopleSoft and an email notification. Once the administrator has configured all the necessary notifications, employees can apply their own preferences where allowed. Employees only see the notifications that they can personalize and only the delivery options that have been configured by the administrator. Employees can change the type of notification that they receive when it's permitted. For mandatory notifications, the employee must have at least one type of notification selected. For non-mandatory notifications, employees can remove the notification completely by selecting No for each notification type. Employees who receive a large number of notifications can use the Actions button to make bulk updates. The employee can review the changes and reset the default values too. Now that we've configured notification delivery, let's go to the Notifications Composer to see the message being sent. Notification Composer enables you to organize your notification data by elements such as business process and notification category, and to associate it to the PeopleTools Notification Framework using the PeopleTools Notification name. Using the business process to search helps the functional administrator see all related notifications in one place. Use the Edit Notification event to view the notification details. Select the information icons to display more information about the notification. Use the Expand All button to view all the information. The notification link information shows the component and page that trigger this notification. The message source shows where the message text came from, such as the message catalog or an email template. Under the in-app, email, and text sections, you can see the wording of the message, including the bind variables. The PeopleSoft delivered notifications cannot be changed. To change details such as the wording of the message, you need to create a new notification ID and enter it in the Override Notification ID field. Use the information icon next to the PeopleTools notification name to view the PeopleTools setup information. The information under the PeopleTools notification name is related to the PeopleTools notification setup. Let's see how our changes work. Vicky Zinn uses the Employee Self-Service tile to update her remote worker request. She can also verify and change her address while in the request process by selecting the home address and updating the data. Vicky can see that her address change is submitted for approval. The HR administrator will receive the address change notification. Vicky enters the necessary details to complete the remote worker request and clicks the Submit button. This generates a remote worker notification approval for the remote worker manager. Rosanna has both the HR administrator and remote worker manager roles. She has set her notification preferences to in-app for her address change notifications. Approvals for remote worker requests, on the other hand, are set to only go to her email address. She can easily view the address change request inside of PeopleSoft and navigate to the approval from the right-hand panel. Rosanna finds an email notification about the remote worker request. Clicking on the link in the email takes her to the approval page. Because she had notifications turned off as the remote worker payroll administrator, Rosanna did not receive any alerts about the remote employee changes. Notification Composer enables you to standardize your notifications and create your own notification events using event mapping to trigger the notification. You can also create your own notification to use with one of the application-delivered events by overriding the notification event. For more information, go to PeopleSoftInfo.com.